It's feet kills.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration video with fellow YouTuber Miss Topak J, aka Esther. She's an Aussie-based YouTuber. She was in London for a couple of months. We decided to get together, film a collab video for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy not just this video, but there's also a challenge video on Esther's channel that I filmed with Esther and Jojo501 of YouTube also. So I will leave all relevant links in the description down below. Hold right now, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe and bell button so that you are updated every time I upload a video. With that being said, we're just going to get straight into it. We're starting off with a clean face, and I have literally just moisturized Esther's skin using the Embryo Lease. I really love that primer moisturizer thing. It's great for all skin types and it works a treat. So for her eyebrows, I am going in and I am filling it out with the ABH Ebony pomade. That's one of the many pomades that I use that I really like. Esther uses it too and she likes it. So I figured, why not use that? And that's essentially what I'm doing here. There's really nothing to it. We're just drawing out a shape. Esther is like me with the sparse brow thing. And that's why I think we really like the ABH pomade, because it just stays on and it does the job. So to clean up the brow, I am going in with everybody's best friend, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn for Esther. And I'm just using a flat concealer brush that I picked up off of eBay. No name, no brand. It's just a generic brush. And I'm using that to clean up the underside of her brows like so. I'm going to apply, blend out, buff out, and just have it looking, you know. So I generally don't like to use a lighter color that I use underneath for the top. So for the top of her brows, I am going to go in with LA Girl, but this time in the shade Toast. This particular one has a slightly orangey undertone for Esther's skin. So it also helps me to conceal some of the dark spots that she had going on around the brows, forehead area there. So again, apply, blend out, buff out, and have the eyebrows looking, you know. So once I have done all of that, we're going to go in and, you know, just start on the eyes. I like to do the eyes before I do the face. It's just my thing. So I'm going in with my transitional colors, and I am using Makeup Geek eyeshadows in the shade Morroco and Coco Bear, and my Sigma E35 blending brush, and I'm just really working those colors all the way through the crease and up to the brow bone. That's how I like to do it. Everybody does it differently. So yes, now I'm going in with Makeup Geek's Bitten, which is a nice purple color, and I'm using my MAC 217, I believe, this time around to apply that color as my second transitional color through the crease. But I'm making sure I apply slightly lower than the first color because I don't want it to overpower the first transitional color. Then I go back in with the first brush and just blend the two transitional colors into each other so that everything looks beautiful and seamless and there's no harsh lines or demarcation of color going on. Now I'm going in with the black color, and I am using Corrupt from Makeup Geek, and this time around I believe I am using a e.l.f. like blending brush, and I'm just applying that right on top of where I applied the shade Bitten to help me add some depth into that crease area right there, like so. So I go back in with the brush that I applied Bitten with, which was a 217, and I just use that to blend the edges of the Corrupt so that it's not harsh and it doesn't look, you know, unpleasant. Now I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and that same flat concealer brush I cleaned up her brows with, and I'm using that to help us carve out a crease because I decided to do a cut crease on Esther because I know she likes cut creases. That's what she does, so I decided I'll do that as well. And I'm just setting that with the Sacha buttercup powder. I prefer a matte base. You don't have to. So now I'm going in with Corrupt again, and this time another one of my e.l.f. brushes that the name is completely gone off it, so I can't really reference it. But I'm just applying that in the outer corner to help me deepen, you know, and add depth to the eye look that we're trying to go for. And now we're going in with Makeup Geek's Cherry Cola, and that is like a middle color on the lid between what would be the main eyelid color and the outer corner color. Now I am going in with this beautiful pigment from MAC. It's one of their really old ones that come in the really big old pigment pots, and it's called Old Gold. I love this pigment, and I'm applying it dry. I didn't wet the brush or nothing. really pigmented. It just is beautiful. We all know that about MAC products. So anyway, I'm going back in and I'm swapping between brushes that I used to apply all of my lid colors. I'm just blending all the colors into each other so that it looks seamless. I do apologize, I was in the frame while applying mascara, but I like to apply mascara before I apply falsies. That's what I'm doing there, just prepping her eyelashes for the falsies. And for falsies today, I decided to use the Tatti Lashes in the style TL25. They're all right. I like there's, you know, really nothing too much to say about it. They're good quality lashes and they last you. So having finished the eyes, we are now going to go in and begin to work on her face. So I'm going to start off. I did all the priming and all of that stuff off camera. I'm going to start off with the Becca Topaz Illuminator, and I'm just applying this first on all of Esther's high points, cheekbones, forehead, down the bridge of the nose, slightly under the chin, because I want her makeup to have that sort of glow from within sort of look. And now I'm going in with foundation. I love, excuse me, my black Opal foundations. If you watch my videos, you know that I love this foundation because this is what I use all the time when I do makeup on other people. So I'm not sure what color I use because I've deported the whole thing, but I'm definitely using one of them. And I'm just buffing that foundation into her skin using my Real Techniques blending sponge. You all know I love that. I'm yet to be converted to anything else. I've tried other sponges. They don't work for me as well as that one does. So now we're going in and we're highlighting and all of that good stuff. And to do that, I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So we're going to highlight our usual highlight places under the eyes, chin, forehead, bridge at a nose. And I'm going to go in and blend all of that out with my sponge. So guys, as I mentioned before, there is a collab video on Esther's channel. I will link that across the screen right about now. Please go check it out. We were all super nervous before filming that video, but it was a hell of a lot of fun. We thoroughly enjoyed it and we hope that you guys enjoy watching the video too. So whilst we were blending and setting, you know, the concealers and stuff, my camera overheated. So there really isn't much footage going forward from me blending out her concealer. So yeah, what you next see is what happened afterwards.
Ooh, what's that? Hold on. No, I thought it was flour. Shit, my chick is getting cut. Don't tell me nothing. My chick is getting cut right now.
So now I'm just going in with some translucent powder and I'm using that to sort of reverse contour thing, or basically to help me sharpen up my contour line. And to contour Esther's face, I'm going in with Makeup Geek Scandal Contour Powder. I absolutely love not just this powder, but a ton of Makeup Geek products, as you can tell from the video. So yeah, I'm just going in and contouring her face, cheekbones, jawline, across the forehead, all the usual places that I would contour. I like to lay the powder down first because it just helps me keep that line clean and crisp. So after that's done, I'm going in now with one of my e.l.f. brushes and I'm just pressing, buffing, dusting all of that excess powder off of her face first before I proceed to going to set all of Esther's makeup. I can't reference the brush because the name on it is all gone off, so I do apologize for that. Now to set the face, I'm using my black Opal finishing powder in the shade Dark for Esther. So I like to apply, press in, and then buff all over the skin. I like to buff because I find that it just helps me to blend everything together and nothing is looking harsh, you know. It just blends the highlight, contour, and everything all into each other, and I like the finish that I get when I do that. So I do this not just on myself, but when I do makeup on other people as well. So after I've done that, I'm going in now and I am setting well, not setting, but I'm trying to take off the powdery finish with my D.I.Y rosewater mix. So I do that first before I then go in to bronze the face. And to bronze the face, I am using my cult favorite CoverGirl Ebony bronze. I'm still yet to find another bronzer. If anyone has any recommendations, please be sure to leave them for me in the comment section. I am actually genuinely looking for another bronzer. So I also use the bronzer on her nose to contour that as well. And then to add some color to the cheeks, I am using Flushed by Sleek Makeup. This is another one that I absolutely love. I use it all the time. It's just an amazing blusher in my opinion. So for the whole under eye area, I'm just going in with a kohl liner from Makeup Revolution, and I just basically went in with the same colors that I used in the crease all through the lower lash line, and I'm just really smoking everything out. And to set the face, I used the Mario Badescu Aloe Spray. I do apologize, a lot of the footage for the highlight application was really blurry, wasn't in focus. But I'm using my Bronzified highlighter from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and I'm applying that on the cheekbones, you know, Cupid's bow, slightly across the forehead. We were going for extra glow today because why not? Why not? We are glowing all the way into 2018, and we intend to stay glowing in 2018. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And I also applied the same highlighter into the tear duct area just to sort of open the eyes up a bit more. Then we went in and applied the lipstick, and that pretty much essentially completed the look. She threw on a wig, and then she was looking snatched like a snack. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. If you enjoy this kind of videos, please do let me know. I also would like to know, guys, would you prefer if I did voiceovers over makeover videos, or if I just played like a track? I really want to know what your preference would be. So please talk to me, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, be good, stay safe, take care of yourself, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
The only special one for me. Now you be the only